Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy XRP on Bybit. So your first step would be to make sure you've opened up and installed your Bybit application. So click on the Bybit, make sure you've installed it and set up your account. If you do not have an account on Bybit, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 5,030 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account using our invite link. Alright guys, welcome to Bybit. How can you buy the XRP token? So there's a couple of ways to go about this. Your first step in buying would be to make sure you've deposited some USDT, which is what we're going to be using to trade for the XRP token. How can you do this? Click on the deposit icon you find, select deposit crypto, click on USDT, and then select the network or chain you'd like to deposit your USDT in. We have different networks here, so make sure you've deposited your USDT. All right, so with your USDT deposited, head to the assets menu. You can confirm its arrival, be it on your funding or your unified trading account. Once you found the USDT here, click on any of these options. Once you found it here, head to the market section at the bottom of the screen. At the top where we have the search, use this to search for XRP USDT or Bitcoin or Euro. So select the USDT option. Where we have the trading type, instead of limit, click on the drop down and select market. And now you can buy the XRP using your available USDT. So if you have 100 USDT, you could easily buy. If you have 10, you could easily buy by simply clicking on buy XRP and it's done. Now, another option of getting yourself some XRP is, let's say you have some USDT or Ethereum or any cryptocurrency on your wallet, which is here in the assets menu. Let's say you have any cryptocurrency here. All you need to do is head to the home section. Once here, where we have the more icon, click on this. Scroll through till you find the convert. Where we have trade, under the trade menu, where we have convert, click on the convert option. Once you select the convert, in place of where we are converting to, click on turn and simply select XRP. And now you could easily convert from $1 to $9,000 or $900 worth of USDT into XRP. So all you need to do is just enter an amount and simply click on quote and you'll be able to convert into your XRP. So guys, that's how you can easily buy the XRP on Bybit. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.